France, renowned for its rich culture, art, and cuisine, offers diverse landscapes from the picturesque countryside to iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower. It boasts a temperate climate and is a hub for fashion and gastronomy. Paris, the capital, is famed for its museums, fashion shows, and historical architecture. The France Visitor Visa, also known as the short-stay visa or Schengen visa, allows non-EU citizens to enter and stay in France for up to 90 days within a 180-day period for tourism, business, or family visits. It also allows travel to other Schengen countries. The French tourist visa allows a maximum stay of 90 days in France within a 180-day period. Unless marked as a limited territorial validity visa, it generally permits travel to other Schengen countries during this period. The process of applying for a French tourist visa can appear complex and daunting, particularly for first-time applicants. However, by carefully listing the necessary steps and methodically following them, obtaining the visa can be easily achievable. Fill out the French Tourist Schengen Visa application form. Gather all required documents, schedule an appointment, pay the applicable fees, attend the appointment as scheduled. To apply for a tourist visa for France, you need to submit the following documents: completed French tourist visa application form with accurate information, 2 passport-style photos taken within the last 3 months, valid passport issued within the last 10 years, with a minimum validity of 3 months after your planned stay, and at least 2 blank pages for the visa sticker, copies of previous visas, if applicable, travel medical insurance covering at least 30,000 euros for your entire stay, certificate of criminal record from your home country showing no ongoing criminal cases, proof of paid visa fee, travel itinerary detailing your arrival, departure, and transportation arrangements, proof of accommodation in France, such as hotel or hostel booking, or a letter of invitation, proof of financial means to cover your stay, which could include a recent bank statement or a scholarship certificate. The duration of your visa is determined by the issuing French embassy. A French tourist visa can be valid for up to 3 months within a 6-month period. The embassy may issue visas for specific durations, such as 10 days, 3 weeks, or even shorter periods. Alternatively, frequent travelers to the Schengen area may receive a multiple entry visa valid for 3 months.
Before we proceed further in this video, I kindly request just 1 minute of your time to introduce our books currently available for purchase on Amazon.com. We currently have 2 books on sale. The first book is titled Discover Abroad: Navigating Travel, Immigration, Study, and Employment Opportunities Abroad. Our second book is titled 450 Business Analyst Interview Questions and Answers: Ace Your Interview. These books are designed to help you expand your horizons, embrace new experiences, and unlock a world of possibilities. Additionally, the interview book can assist you in standing out from the competition and landing your dream job abroad. Simply click on the link provided in the description box of this video to order yours now.